Evening, everyone. I just wanted to give you a very quick update on the position that we bought yesterday, FireEye. What we're looking at is the weekly chart here. I'll go back to the daily, but it sort of looks a little bit um, not as useful in any event. So here's the daily, and we opened up and went right through all of these uh, highs back here from June, mid June. And while we didn't close on the high, we still closed up on the day on a particularly ugly looking market day. Here's the weekly. On a weekly basis, we came out of this little consolidation in here that I was talking about yesterday. The next stop would be this area between, let's call it 18 and 1870. And as I mentioned yesterday, the stock is way down from original pricing when it traded here at almost 100. The other thing that I want to mention is that this was not a group move. This was a move specifically in this company. I mentioned yesterday that I seem to see a lot of their information when there is a cyber breach. And, we had this big talk about the Chinese pre market today, and you would have thought that they all would have been up. However, their three main competitors, the biggest of which is Palo Alto Networks, PANW, was down $1.98 or roughly 1%. Fortinet was down $2.21 or 2.4%, and CyberArk was down $1.10, which was roughly 1.45%. So this is a move in this particular stock. And as I laid out yesterday, this is a name that we constantly hear. The other thing that I want to mention is it's one of the smaller stocks. And amongst those other three names that I gave you, really, FireEye is probably the most likely to be acquired size wise. Have a good evening.